children. Are you well? Okay, very good. Today we are going to study lesson 9, the living organisms and their surroundings. What is living organisms? Living organism means they can live or they are live. In this lesson we are mainly study habitats, different components of habitats, types of habitat and adaptation. First, what is habitat? Habitat means in simple way habitat is a dwelling place, a home. That means habitat is a home. The surroundings in which a particular organisms lives is called habitat. Particular organisms means plants, animals and other organisms. What is habitat? The surroundings in which a particular organisms live is called habitat. Then a habitat, the habitat depend for their food, air, shelter, then light and other needs for their habitat. Then different types of plants and animals live in different habitats. Then also several kinds of animals and plants share same habitat. Example, ant lives in soil and lives in trees upside and some leaves. Then in humans also adapt different habitats. That means humans are able to adapt to different habitat. Example, in Rajasthan, desert, then plain areas, Delhi, then Uttar Pradesh, etc. Then coastal areas, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, then hilly areas, Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Then next, components of habitat. That means habitat includes both living and non-living things in an organism. That means biotic components contains living things. Biotic components include living things and abiotic components include non-living things. Living things means plants, animals and microorganisms. Abiotic components include non-living things. Example, air, light, sunlight, rock, temperature, etc. Next, now let us study types of habitat. There are two types of habitat: terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat means the plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial habitat. What is terrestrial habitat? The plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial habitats. Example, forests, grasslands, deserts, coastal and mountain region. The next is aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat means the plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitats. What is aquatic habitat? The plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Example, ponds, lakes, swamps, oceans. Then first, now let us study terrestrial habitats. Then terrestrial habitats include land living animals and plants. Then first, then terrestrial habitats. Then adaptation of land living animals and plants. Then plants on desert. Example, cactus. Animals are snakes, rats, lizards and camel. Then what are adaptation of animals in desert? First, camel. You have to see camels have long legs. They keep their body from heat of the sun. Then their leg is wide feet. Why it is wide feet? It is avoid sinking in water. Then they can drink more water at a time. It is store in their body. That means they can 20 days without water, and in drinking time they drink 100 liters of water. Then their body absorb less amount of water. That means their urine amount is lesser and their dung is dry and they do not produce more sweat. Then next is they excrete a small amount of urine, their dung is dry and they do not sweat. Then since camels lose very little water from their bodies, they can live for many days without water. Then hump present on back, they store fat. Then in camel's back hump there, they store fat. Then camel's eyelash protect it eyes with sand. Then this eyelash means this eyelash help to protect the sand. Then next is desert living animals, rats and snakes. They live in a deep under the sand to avoid the heat of the sand. They come out of in night time because in night time cooler in there. Then mainly in desert snakes are in color is in desert sand color. Then why this to avoid the visible to the predators. Then camels have long legs, their feet are wide, they can drink a large amount of water, they excrete a small amount of urine, their dung is dry and they do not sweat. Then hump present on camel's back, store fat, camel's long eyelash help to avoid sand. Then next is adaptation in desert plants. Then desert plants, their leaves are less, they are very small and are present on the shape of the spines. Then it contains thick waxy layers. You cactus cutting knife see waxy layers there. Then storage of that waxy layer represent storage of water. Then next is mountain region. Then mountain region, your hilly area. This area is very cold sometimes. Then cold and rainfall there. Their plants leaves are in cone shape or sloping branches there. Why this? Because help to drain off rain and snow easily. Then animals yak, snow then leopard and mountain goat. Their skin or hair is very thick and fur to protect the warm, and their goat hooves are help to running on the blocking rocks. Then next is adaptation in mountain plants. Their plants also say their shape is cone shape and sloping branches there help it to do drain of snow and rain easily. Then next is adaptation in grassland animals. Lions light brown color helps to hide in dry grasslands. They will help to catch the prey. Then the eyes in front of the face. Then deer is strong teeth to chewing the hard plant stem of the forest. Then understand terrestrial. Terrestrial means plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial habitat. Then it includes forest, grasslands, desert, coastal and mountain regions. Then next is aquatic. Aquatic means water living in plants and animals are called aquatic habitat. Then aquatic habitats detailed study in next part.